Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a web page using this app, Adobe Spark. It's called Adobe Spark Page. Right, and it's just a really nice way to make a website that looks beautiful, but is also really easy to make. And they've taken a lot of the hard work out of there for you. And so this is how to do it. There are some examples you can see on this page, but I just want to start a new one. So I'm going to push the big blue plus at the bottom. Here, my website is going to be about, I don't know, let's say porcupines. And you can add a subtitle if you like. Here's where the fun starts, because now to add photos, right, you can choose photos on your iPad, you can take pictures, you can find them off Dropbox or Google Photos if you have, you shouldn't have Google Photos, but off Dropbox, just off your iPad, or I'm going to look for find free images, and this is great. Hopefully this works. Now that I've said how great it is, let's go for porcupine. How are we going to go? Right. So heaps of pictures of porcupines. And the wonderful thing about these is all of these pictures are free to use. There's no copyright, so you won't be breaking the law. And I've picked a lovely picture of a porcupine for my first page. Now, I want to add some information to this web page. This web page is going to scroll down. So it says scroll to start writing your story. And I'm just going to scroll. Now it's given me some options. Do I want to add a photo, some text, a button, a video, a photo grid, a glide show, or a split layout? Because you can have a look at each of those things. I'm going to go with a split layout because I want to have some information in my website with some photos next to it. And I'm going to start with the habitat of porcupines, which I've already researched. So let's find, I want a picture of the savannah. I think that's how you spell it. No, that's not what I want. Maybe no H. There, that's better. So I'm looking for a picture of typical porcupine habitat. I like the look of that one. And here I'm going to put my information. So put some text. Porcupine or porcupines can be found in the savannah. No H. I just learned. Right. And I'm going to repeat that process. I might decide to swap sides, whatever, but I'm going to repeat that process until I'm happy with the website, until I'm happy that it's done. And now, if I wanted to preview, I could just push this little play button to preview what it looks like. Here we go. How good does that look? So only 2 pages. And because I chose a photo out of Adobe's free images, it automatically put a credit in for that photo. And that's nice, isn't it? Right, so I'll close that preview. Now, my website's made. I'm ready to share it with the world or just my teacher. What you need to do is tap on the box with the arrow. Please, can you turn the green button off? That will stop your website from being public. If you want to give it a category, you can. I'm going to say this is an education video. Author attribution, I'm going to keep that hidden, and I'll leave credits as they are. You might add some credits if you like. And then I'm going to share, and I'm going to tap this blue box, blue thing, which is a clipboard. And it says create unlisted link. Create unlisted link. I'm going to do that, and what that's doing is it's uploading my website to Adobe, so they'll host it for me, and it's making a link which I can then share with other people. Right, success. Your Spark page is ready to share, so that's done. Once I've got that link, I would then go and paste that link to either OneNote or Teams or wherever your teacher has asked you to do that. Even email your teacher. But listen to them, listen to what they say to share that link with them.